Avid travelers, keep your luggage light and your travel content epic with the DJI Mini SE, an ultra lightweight but high quality drone you'll love. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. I'm Devyn Howard, and today we're talking about a drone so tiny it weighs about as much as an apple, but it'll still give you the high quality shots you'll love. The DJI Mini SE is little but impressive. I love drone footage, especially in travel videos, and this tiny drone makes it easy to capture those amazing memories in beautiful places. Like I said before, it's just about 249 grams, which is roughly the weight of an apple. An apple, you guys! That would hardly add any weight to your backpack. It's also physically small, as I'm sure you could guess. It can fit in the palm of your hands, and just for reference, it is smaller than the iPhone 12. But don't let its small size fool you. The DJI Mini SE is still going to capture gorgeous, high-quality videos and pictures. So let's look at just how tiny it is. The time has come for us to unbox this. I'm super excited to get into this box. My very first Unbox This video was a drone, so this feels like everything's coming full circle. Let's get into this. All right, here we go. Here is the drone body. So it really can fit in the palm of your hands, and it is very lightweight. This is definitely the lightest drone I've ever held. It's actually kind of surprising how lightweight it is. It almost feels like it weighs less than an apple, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside and continue on with the unboxing process. All right, here we have the drone controller, the drone remote. We have some propeller blades here. We have some joysticks for your control here. I'm gonna put those in right now, actually. Easy. We also have a USB Type-C cord here. A couple other cords in here. Here we have a micro USB cord. These are the cables that will connect the controller to your phone. And this is a tiny screwdriver for a tiny drone. We have a quick start guide here, safety guidelines right here, and some more informational packets. They really got you covered with all the pamphlets. Tell you all the rules, how to fly a drone, how to use the drone, where to not fly the drone, all very important. I'm going to get this drone all set up and clear off the table, and then we're going to get into the details about this cool product. I'm gonna peel off all of these little stickers on the drone here so we can get it set up. You guys, look how tiny, it's so small, I can't believe it. Like, this is a whole drone and it fits in one hand, that's wild. Okay, let's pull these arms out here. We'll remove the lens cap. And then once you hook it up to your phone, it's ready to fly. The DJI Mini SE has a max battery life of 30 minutes, which is more than enough time to find and record the most stunning shots. This camera is on a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring your shots are smooth and stable. The DJI Mini SE supports 12-megapixel aerial photos and 2.7K Quad HD videos, which is plenty for the person who's using their drone as a fun hobby and a way to capture a unique perspective on life's experiences. If you're new to the drone world, the DJI Mini SE is a great place to start. It's affordable and user-friendly, and they even make it easy to learn how to use your drone and put together movies with the DJI Fly app. With just a few clicks, it'll automatically record and shoot professional-looking videos that you can share on social media in just a few steps. The DJI app is helpful in giving flyers, both new and experienced, the opportunity to easily create impressive footage. We can't do a drone video without actually putting the drone to the test, so that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. I've downloaded the DJI Fly app onto this phone here. We're gonna hook everything up and then take this baby for a spin. So you just need to pull the little arms out here in order to hook your phone in. If you are looking for the iPhone cable, which I was just a few minutes ago, it's actually already inside here. So you're not gonna find it in the package because they've already included it in the controller. Adjust the arms to make sure your phone fits nice and snug in there. There we go. Looking good. Ready to go. I'm so excited. There we go. Beeped on. Okay, we are going to press the takeoff button here and watch it go.
Take off.
All right, I think it's time we land this drone. So I'm going to press the landing button. There we go, woohoo! That was so much fun. I love that this is such a small drone. You can pack it in your bag so easily, but you're still going to get really, really cool shots coming from it. It doesn't make as much noise as other drones I've worked with as well, so I think that that's kind of a nice feature about this. To wrap up this video, you guys, let me tell you that the DJI Mini SE is an ultra-portable drone that's still capable of capturing the high-end quality you want. This drone is a little simpler compared to other more expensive options. You're not going to get a bunch of the extra features like slow-mo, but since it is so small and lightweight, you'll still get that high quality and mobility you want to capture your special memories. But if you're a beginner to the world of drone flying, or you just like to do it for fun and you don't care that much about all the bells and whistles, the DJI Mini is a very impressive pick. If you're ready for a travel companion that'll preserve your memories and experiences, check out the DJI Mini SE at the link in our description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devyn Howard, and I'll see you next time we just unbox this. Bye, guys.